First, put the ruler into the soil vertically aligned to the leaf and another ruler horizontally on top of the leaf to measure your plant's height.
Next, horizontally align your first ruler to the plant. Then use your second ruler to precisely measure the width of the plant.
Then, place your first ruler aligned with the other side of the plant and your second ruler perpendicular to the first ruler and measure the length of your plant.
Next, gently press on the sides of the pot to loosen up the soil. Once the soil is loosened, pour out the plant and the soil onto the table.
After taking your plants out of the growth media and pots, you should massage each plant individually and remove the growth media as much as possible from the visible roots.
Another method of removing the growth medium from the roots of the plant is to use a brush to gently rub off the growth medium.
Regardless, there will still be some growth media involved in the roots. As a result, you should use a scissor to cut off the roots from the plants.
Then fill a cup up with water. Then add the roots into the water. All the growth medium will fall to the bottom of the cup, separating it from the roots. Once the medium has been separated from the roots, take the roots out of the cup of water and put them on top of a dry piece of paper. Then pat the roots down with the piece of paper to remove any excess water weight. Next, get a scale and zero out something that can hold the plant. This could be a tray, a paper plate, or even a cup. First, measure the mass of the total edible roots biomass. Then, calculate the average by dividing the mass by the number of roots you initially had. Keep in mind that the roots may tangle in the water, so you have to keep track. Next, take your 3 biggest plants and measure the mass of them. Then, calculate the average by dividing by the number of plants that you have. This will serve as your edible leaf biomass. Also, if you don't have 3 plants, it's fine. 2 is more than enough.